guys, it's Think About It Thursday. It's time to do our science experiment, and this time we have elephant toothpaste. So if you can get out the bottle that we gave you with the solution in it, don't drink it, and mix your yeast and warm water together, it should look like this. There should be a little bit of bubbling from the yeast, and that way you know it's working. And then you pour it into the solution and watch, look what happens. There's a chemical reaction between the yeast and the soap and the hydrogen peroxide, and the food coloring gives it a pretty color. Look at it, it'll keep bubbling and bubbling. I hope you guys had fun.